The past challenges are nothing compared to the current challenges.
It's a little bit more competitive than it used to be.
There's a lot of hard costs and hard things that we can't do too much about, so it's really making sure that we can stay on top of the areas where we can have some influence in.
I think what people are really looking for is an experience.
We try to be strategic in what we're offering.
But we have to try to be as perfect as we can.
I think the biggest changes are going to be keeping up with the trends of sustainability.
As manufacturers introduce new systems into their vehicles, we have to adapt to that.
You really want to build your brand and build your experience with your buyer.
I'm Ben from Advantage Collision.
I'm Roxanne Archer with Northridge Developments.
I'm Chelsea Petrie from Candle Lake Golf Resort.